So good morning to all. So the previous day we already studied about different types of networking devices, and the previous last class I already explained some concept about gateway, then a router, then DMS, firewall, etc. So today look at that here gateway. So what do you mean by gateway? So as the name implies that this is the gateway, only the gateway to the LAN or local organization to the outside the world. For example, assume that in our lab there is a LAN connection is there. So if you want to communicate to other computer inside the internet, we should go for the gateway. So we already studied that a router is there. So first the request is moved to switch, then router, then it should be go to the gateway. So sometimes this router is also act as a gateway. So in our in our home, the gateway should be the ISP. ISP means internet service provider. So there is no need to maintain another type of gateway. So like that, for example, in your home, there is assume that there is one computer and you are setting one internet connection is there. So if you want to connect it to any other system outside of your home, like that in internet, so first your request is moved to that gateway. So at that time that gateway is ISP, internet service provider. So like BSNL, then Geo, Airtel, like that. So which means that, so here look at that, the gateway means it's act as an interface between or gate between the organization network and the outside the world. So look here, get the gateway service as an entry point only, entry and exit point of a network, and all of the data coming in and out of the network must be first passed through the gateway. So all the data coming from outside and inside the network should be passed through the gateway only. So here look at that, if one node from one network wants to communicate with the node of a foreign network means other network, so it will, so here it will pass the data packet to the gateway. So look at that here, two networks are given here, left side and right side. So there is connection by using a gateway. So here for example, here PC4 need to communicate to PC5 to another network. So first the connection is moved to the gateway. So this is the working of gateway. So here then next explain that for simple internet connectivity at the home, the gateway is usually the ISP, internet service provider, that provide the internet, that is like a BSNL or Airtel or Geo. So generally a router is configured to work as a gateway. So we already studied that a router is also used to connect it to different types of network. So the previous class we studied the working of router. So a router is also act as a gateway only, but gateway can implement it completely in software, hardware, or the combination of both. Means that the gateway we can set up separately by using hardware and software. So firewall is also we can set up in this gateway. So to the previous class I already showed that firewall. Then this is the main concept of gateway. So gateway means it is an only exit and entry point. So if any computer want to send any information to the outside world or outside the world to the inside the local area network, so all the information is passed through the gateway. So router is all sometimes act as a gateway. So in your home, this is important, in your home internet connectivity, the gateway is ISP, internet service provider, which is nothing but BSNL or Geo or Airtel, like that. So hope you understand the working of gateway.